All right, so I printed up a quick template here just to make sure I've got got my dimensions right, things like that. What I learned here is my screw dimensions for the mount are just a little bit off. You can see there's a little bump in between them, where the piece is flexing, so those are not quite that far apart, at least as printed on the console. The dimensions coming off the console are never quite as perfect as they are coming out of the resin printer. Let's see, other interesting thing here. Let's see, that's almost level. It's like yay far. But the rod isn't long enough because this, the carriage here is currently all the way up. And I need that to be all the way down when that's all the way up. But this isn't really stiff enough to know for sure how far off that is. But longer is always going to be better than shorter because I don't have to go up to 0. So I'm going to add probably another centimeter, maybe even 2, to the push rod here to get so that it'll at least, so that I know it'll work. And then if I need to adjust it to make it so that it lines up with 0. If I just really feel like doing that, then I can figure out what the adjustment needs to be from there. I also need to change the design on the end cup here. I designed it so I've got a little bit of tolerance. It shimmies on and then it sets, but it doesn't actually click the pen because in order to get it to click, it's actually really close to the bottom. I've only got like 1 millimeter on the back side. You can see the top of the pen curves up a little bit. I've only got about 1 millimeter where the click is, so the dish in the end here can't be deeper than 1 millimeter. So we'll rework things a little bit so that the dish works a little better with that. So yeah, I think I'm going to go do some design there, and we'll pick you up after that.